In today's video, I'll show you how to lock angles in Autocad so you can draw with precision and confidence. If you're working on precise designs, knowing how to fix angles accurately is invaluable. We'll explore how to accomplish this effortlessly using Autocad's built-in dynamic input tool, a feature that displays the values of the current object you are creating. This tool is particularly helpful when you need to make adjustments on the fly, as it allows you to maintain consistent angles across your design. To get started, ensure that the dynamic input tool is enabled. You might notice that it is not active by default in some cases. If that's the situation for you, simply press F12 on your keyboard or look for its icon on the bottom bar of your Autocad interface and click to enable it. Once activated, the tool is ready to help you draw and lock angles with ease. Let's dive into a practical example by drawing a line with a specified angle, such as 27 degrees. Begin by drawing a line in your workspace. You'll see the dynamic input showing prompts guiding you through the process. After you initiate the line, press the Tab key to shift your focus from the length of the line to inputting the exact angle. This is where you enter your desired angle, 27 degrees in this case. Once you've typed in 27, press Tab again. This action locks in the angle you specified, allowing you to toggle back to setting the line's length. Notice how the angle remains fixed while you make these changes. This is the power of locking your angles with dynamic input. It's important to observe that your line's angular reference defaults to the x-axis. This detail can be crucial for ensuring your angle is correctly aligned with other elements in your design. Now, all that is left is specifying the length of your line. With the angle data input securely locked, you can focus on finalizing the size without worrying about any accidental changes to the angle. And there you have it, a perfectly angled line in Autocad, drawn effortlessly and accurately. This method is not just limited to lines. You can use it across various components within Autocad to improve the precision and quality of your designs. Remember, mastering dynamic input will enhance your workflow when dealing with angles, transforming your approach from guesswork to precise engineering.